Good day everyone. In this video, I will share to you about the natural resources of the world and the importance of natural resources to us humans. But first, let's start with understanding about the natural resources of the world. Natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's need. Any natural substance that humans use can be considered a natural resource, such as oil, coal, natural gas, metals, stone, and sand are examples of natural resources. Other natural resources are air, sunlight, soil, and water. Animals and plants are natural resources as well. Natural resources also are the raw materials for making products that we use every day, from our toothbrush, lunchbox, to our clothes, cars, television, computers, and refrigerators. Next is we discuss about the classification of resources. We have types of resources. First is renewable resources. Renewable resources are those natural resources such as trees, water, sun, and wind that can be replenished at about the same rate at which they are used. Renewable resources, however, can be depleted if not properly managed and conserved. Second is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that are depleted more quickly than they can regenerate. Fossils, fuels like oil, natural gas were formed over millions of years. Once mined and used completely, non-renewable resources are gone forever. Next is the challenges of using natural resources. Extracting and processing using natural resources can cause environmental problems such as air, land, and water pollution, destruction of ecosystems, and a decrease in biodiversity. Extracting and using natural resources also can disturb relationship with the ecosystems, which include ponds, woods, and fields that are self-regulating communities like plants and animals that interact with each other under non-living environment. For example, trees are cleared from a field. It can destroy habitats used by many animals, forcing them to find homes elsewhere. If these animals leave the ecosystem, further disturbances can occur within plant and animal population that depend on this species. Using natural resources along with other human activities may decrease in biodiversity, that is the variety of organisms that live on the earth. Diminishing the earth's biodiversity has a substantial human cost because wild species and natural resources are important. Next is resource recovery and how can we help to preserve it. Natural resources used for the first time are considered virgin resources. Under extraction, processing, and use require a great deal of energy and can create pollution. Resource recovery is a practice that conserves natural resources by extracting materials like paper, glass, aluminum, and steel from the waste stream and recycling it into other materials or using it to produce energy. How can we help to preserve our natural resources? There are many ways in helping to preserve natural resources. Each of us can conserve natural resources by reducing our consumption, reusing what we can, composting and recycling. These are the easiest ways in order to help and save natural resources. Last is the importance of natural resources to us humans. Natural resources play a critical role not only in one country but to all the living things in Earth. Nature helps to maintain the environmental balance and satisfy the needs to the fullest. A wide range of industrial material and biological material from plant and animal, directly or indirectly, are used in production and in the manufacturing of medicine. Resources are known as capital converted to commodity inputs to infrastructural capital processes. Resources are important for the development of any country. Irrational consumption and overutilization of natural resources has led to socio-economic and environmental problems. Natural resources are getting scarce with the increasing population, so it is essential to conserve